You all have understood the area of trapezium?
Yes, sir.
What is area of trapezium?
Height into sum of two parallel sides divided by 2.
You have left this 1 by 2. 1 by 2
Two.
into h into
Yes.
sum of parallel sides.
Yes, sir. Sum of parallel sides.
You want me to tell once again the derivation part?
Yes, sir.
There are two methods. In the first method, I would like to take trapezium and divide that into two triangles and one rectangle. So here we have a trapezium. For this trapezium, I am going to draw perpendicular from here. Visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one more perpendicular here.
Yes, sir.
You must know that the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines will be same. That is, these two sides are parallel. Suppose if I name this as ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. This is known to us because it is a trapezium. The distance between these two parallel lines or parallel sides, I'll call it as H. Let us name this particular point as F and this as E. Therefore, we can write this AF is perpendicular to CD and also B is perpendicular to CD. This is known to us. Now we have three parts. These are the three parts. So area of trapezium is nothing but area of triangle ADF plus area of triangle BEC plus area of rectangle ABEF. Is there any doubt that it is a rectangle?
No, sir.
For a
No, sir.
rectangle, opposite sides must be equal as well as parallel. Here we have
Yes,
equal
sir.
opposite sides and also parallel opposite sides, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
How do we find area of triangle ADF? We have to use half base into height. Here the base is DF,
Yes, sir.
height is
Half of
H.
the height and into this.
Same way, area of triangle BEC is half into base is EC multiplied to height H plus
Yes,
area
sir.
of this rectangle is
AB into H, sir.
FE into AF. I can write like this, base into height.
Yes.
Yes.
H we can't write, sir. H into H.
H we can write. We shall write it. So half
Yes.
into DF into H plus half into EC into H plus
FE
this
into
particular FE into AF.
F.
I will write it as half of FE into H plus half of FE into H. The reason is we need to get the sum of parallel sides. AB should be written in one of the place. So we are going to replace one of FE as AB. So half into DF into H plus half into EC into H
EC
plus
H.
half into FE
FE
into
into H.
H plus half into, instead of
FE into
FE now, I'll replace with AB, then multiply
into H.
H. Now half
Yes,
h
sir.
is common throughout. So half into
Yes,
h,
sir.
when you take it out, I'll be getting the sum of df plus fe
Plus,
plus ec, which is
yes,
nothing
sir.
but
Easy.
dc plus this ab.
Yes, sir.
So
EAB
it is
plus
same as
F
half into height into sum of
FE.
parallel sides. Is there any doubt in this? If there is no doubt, we shall take up another method, second method.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
In
last
the
step, 1
second
second.
method, last step, this is the last step, half into h into, I have taken half h common.
Yes.
This df added to ec added to fe is nothing but dc. df added to fe added to ec is nothing but dc, correct? So this particular thing is left out. This is taken as it is. AB is written as it is. Now any doubt?
Sir, why we can't take AD and BC there, sir?
Where?
Yes, sir.
Sir, here 1 by 2 into H bracket,
Hmm.
sir. DC plus AB is there, no, sir?
Hmm.
There, why can't we take AD plus BC, sir?
Here we have the sum of these sides, no? DF, FE, EC. When we add this, we get DC, we will not get AD, isn't it? Here the formula
Yes, sir.
is half into H into sum of parallel sides. These two sides, AD and BC, they are non-parallel sides. They are not parallel to each other. In a parallelogram, only one pair will be parallel. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Now I am going to take one more trapezium,
Second method.
second method. So one more trapezium I have taken. For this method, I am going to make a parallelogram. If we do a construction in this manner, we are going to get a parallelogram and a triangle. This is a parallelogram. So you must remember this construction. We have done this construction. A, B, C, D. The construction is draw AE parallel to BC. We must also know that whenever two pairs of sides, opposite sides, parallel to each other, it becomes a parallelogram. So for this parallelogram, the height will be same as the height of the triangle. Suppose if I draw a perpendicular from A to DE, it is a height of the triangle and it is also same as height of parallelogram, isn't it? Because this distance will be
Yes, sir.
same. So area of the triangle ADE, when we add it to area of parallelogram ABCE, we are going to get area of trapezium. So what is area of this triangle? It is half into
H into DE.
correct.
18.
Plus area of parallelogram is base multiplied to height
EC into H.
EC into H.
EC into
Like the
Sir.
previous, we are going to use that same trick. We are going to write this as half EC into H plus half EC
Half
into
EC into
H. Now instead of one of the EC, we can write AB. So half D into H plus half EC into H plus half AB into H. Now we have half H common.
Half an H common.
So D should be added to EC. Then they should be added to AB. The sum of D plus EC will give us CD. Half into H into CD plus AB. So it's the same formula, half into height multiplied to sum of the parallel
Sum
sides.
of parallel sides.
Sometime in the examination, they may ask, derive the formula for finding area of trapezium. You can follow any of the method, either this method or this method. But in sentence, you need to write the construction part. Draw AF and BE perpendicular to DC. This sentence should be written. In this, you need to write draw AE
AF3.
parallel to BC. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now we shall see
Yes,
the
sir.
question. Look at this question. The question here is the area of trapezium is 400. This is centimeter square. Centimeter square. And the distance between its parallel sides is 16 centimeter. What does it mean? It is the height 16 centimeter. And the area is correct. Area is 400 centimeter square.
400 centimeters square.
If
Yes,
one
sir.
of the parallel
400.
sides is 25, it is not centimeter square. Here it should be centimeter. If one of the parallel side, small letter A I will take, it's 25. We need to find the length of the other. We must use the formula half height multiplied to sum of the parallel sides I have taken as A and B. So using this formula, we need to find. So equate it. 400 centimeter square will be equal to half multiplied to height is 16 centimeter, that is multiplied to 25 centimeter plus B. Here we can cancel this out 8 times. So 8 multiplied to 5 will be 40. So when I bring this 8 centimeter down, they get cancelled. In the right hand side, it will be 25 centimeter added to B. So when we cancel this out, it is 50 centimeter. So B value will be 50 centimeter minus 25 centimeter. So B is 25 centimeter.
25.
It's not responding.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes this type of problem will be there.
Yes. Sir, tap on.
It has gone.
Yes, sir.
So answer is 25 centimeter.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. B,
Yes.
B is equal to 25 centimeters, sir.
Okay. We shall look at another concept, quadrilateral. We all know that quadrilateral is a two-dimensional shape having 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. And we also know that
Yes,
sum of
sir.
the interior angles is 360 degree. Here, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, these are all quadrilaterals. In general, if there is a quadrilateral, how to find area? That is one of the concept. Look at this quadrilateral. Why this quadrilateral? We can take any other quadrilateral. Suppose if I have this type of quadrilateral. Why I am taking this quadrilateral now? Is it a trapezium?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it parallelogram?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is general
Yes, sir.
quadrilateral because it's having 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices.
Quadrilateral, sir.
Suppose if I consider one of the diagonal as DB, if I join this DB, it is a diagonal. To one of the diagonal, if I draw perpendiculars from A as well as C, I'll get two of the perpendiculars. One perpendicular from here A, another perpendicular from C. If one of the perpendicular is named as H1, height 1, another perpendicular as H2, you can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. One of the triangle is triangle ABD.
DB.
Please don't look at this above one. Don't look at this. You just see this ABD. One more triangle is triangle
BCD.
BDC.
BDC. These two areas of triangle added gives the area of quadrilateral ABCD. What is the area of this ABD? It's
Sir, half into DB into H1
H1 into
Half
BD.
into
DB into H1
plus
plus half into
Half
DC
into
into
H2
H2.
into BD.
sir,
DB
yes, sir. Half into BD into H.
Half into
H2.
DC into H2.
So here this diagonal which is common can be taken as common and we will be getting
Yes.
H1 plus H2.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. H1 plus
So
H2.
in general, this is the formula: half multiplied to common diagonal multiplied to sum of the altitudes. Understood? Isn't it
Yes,
easy?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Look at this quadrilateral. It is named as PQRS. They have given a common diagonal for both the triangles
Triangle.
as well as heights. So from this figure, we can say that H1 is 2 centimeter,
2 centimeter.
H2 is 1
1
centimeter,
1
centimeter.
centimeter.
1 centimeter.
and the common diagonal, which is
Base.
PR,
5 centimeter.
Is
is 5
5
centimeter.
centimeter.
So area of this quadrilateral is half multiplied
Yes,
to
sir.
Half
1 by
into common diagonal.
half into
common
2
diagonal
centimeter.
into
Half
sum
into
of the
2.
altitudes.
5, sir.
7.5
Half
centimeters
into
square.
5 into 2 plus 1.
1 plus S2.
So this is 2.5
Yes, sir.
multiplied
Sir,
to
5
3.
centimeter.
3 multiplied to 2.5. No? So what is 3 times of 2.5?
7.5, sir.
7
7.5, sir.
5, sir.
7.5
centimeter square. Why centimeter square?
Because we're finding area.
Sir, because it is area, sir.
For area, we should apply square.
So 2 centimeter added to 1 centimeter gives 3 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Half times of 5 is 2.5 centimeter. This centimeter when multiplied we get centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
So always
Great.
remember area
Square.
is in terms of centimeter square or meter square, it's square units, and length is in terms of centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I consider another quadrilateral which is something like this. What is this figure?
Which, sir?
This figure?
Rhombus.
Quadrilateral
Rhombus.
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 It is called as rhombus. And we all know that
Equilateral
in a rhombus, there will be two diagonals. And we also
Yes,
know
sir.
that these diagonals, they are perpendicular
Parallel.
bisector of each other.
Bisectors.
What happened, sir?
Shobhan.
Shobhan,
Sir,
Yes.
you are having food now?
no, sir, no, sir. The sound TV voice near our house.
That is your voice.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I have indicated this with symbol. What does it mean? It means that
They are
They are equal in length.
Each side equals.
PO and OS are equal. QO and OR, they are
PO
equal.
is equal to
OS.
And
QO is
also
O is equal to OR.
PS is
QR is
perpendicular
a
to
common
QR.
thing.
This is the
Yes,
information
sir.
known to us from
PO is
rhombus.
equal to R, sir.
QO is
PS
equal to
is
OR.
equal
Are the diagonals
PS is
equal?
equal to
That I don't know. Diagonals are not equal. I cannot write PS equal to QR because if you remember in class 7 there was a question. One of the diagonal was given as 16 centimeter and another diagonal was given as 20 centimeter, something like this. Find the sides of the rhombus. This type of question was there. So
Pythagoras theorem.
diagonals, Pythagoras theorem must be used, correct? And diagonals
yes, sir.
are not equal in rhombus. Diagonals will be equal in square. That is a major difference between square and rhombus. Now, with this information, can we find area?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can
Yes.
find.
Can anyone say how to find the area?
So we can divide the rhombus into two triangles and add the
Yes,
two
sir. Two
triangles
triangles.
area.
Area
Suppose
of two.
this diagonal PS is named as D1. The distance PO is equal to D1 by 2. Correct? This
Yes, sir.
distance is
Yes,
also
sir.
D1 by
Yes,
2.
sir. QR.
At the same time, if QR is named as D2, QO will be D2
D2
by
by
2.
2.
OR
Yes,
will
sir.
be D2 by 2.
Yes, sir.
D1 by 2, D,
So PO
D1 by
and OS, they are named as D1 by 2. QO and OR are named as D2 by 2. Now can you tell how to find the area using this?
Sir, 1 by 2
Half
into
into D1
So the
by
area
2
of
into
triangle PQR is
D2.
equal to QR into PO into half.
I have written here area of rhombus, say area of PQRS is equal to area of triangle. Which one you want to consider? PQR and QRS?
PQR and
Yes,
QRS.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
PQR
suppose
and
if I
QR
take
is
PQR and this I'll take it as QRS. If I have
yes, sir.
divided
PQ1
this,
and QR.
how do we find area of PQR? Half into what will be base? Base will be
Sir,
QR,
D2.
isn't it?
QR is
D2, sir.
It
Half
is
into.
D2?
Yes,
D2
sir.
or
Yes,
D2 by
sir.
2?
Sir,
D2 by
D2,
2.
D2.
sir.
It
D2.
is D2
Sir,
because
D2.
the full length of QR should be considered. It is D2 into height. What is the
D1 by
height?
2.
QR, sir.
D1 by
D1 by
2.
2.
2.
D1 by 2, sir.
Correct. Plus half into. In this triangle,
D2.
QR is D2 and the height is
D1 by
D1
2.
by 2. Are they not the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
1 by 2
They are
will
the
be
They are
same.
same, sir.
So we can add them up. This
Yes,
is
sir.
D1 by D2. D1 D2 divided
Sir,
by
1 by
4
4.
should be added to D1 D2 divided by 4, isn't it?
Sir.
When we add this, we are going to get half
4 as a LCM.
into D1 into D2. This is the new formula, and the formula is area of rhombus equal to half into product of the diagonals. When two diagonals will be known to you, area will be equal to half into product of the diagonals. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
two
sir.
of the diagonals are given, one of the diagonal is say 24 centimeter and another diagonal is 30
12
centimeter, what will be area?
360 centimeters, sir.
360
360
centimeters.
centimeters
360
square
centimeters.
So area will be
360.
half into d1 into
into
d2.
24 into 30. The 30 sir, 2
So this
into
will
2
become
into
12
12
times 30
into 30.
2
becomes
12 3s are
360
36. 360.
centimeter square.
centimeters square.
So isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have learned the formulas like area of square.
Yes, sir.
Area of square is a square.
1 into that.
If the side is taken as a square.
Yes, sir.
Area of rectangle
into
If
12 into B,
is
sir.
a into b. If
A into
a
B.
and b are the length and breadth
Length
simultaneously.
and breadth.
Area of parallelogram is base multiplied to height.
Height, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle is
1
half
by
Half
2
base
into
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 base
base
height.
into
into
height.
height.
3 is into height.
1 by 2 base into height, sir.
Area of
Trapezium.
trapezium
Half into
sum
Sir,
of
half
parallel
into
sides
height into
Base
sum of
into
sum of
parallel sides.
parallel sides.
sum of parallel sides.
Yes, sir. You have to
Area of quadrilateral in general
Quadrilateral.
is half into
into
sum of
common
altitudes.
diagonal into
Sum of
Altitude.
altitudes.
sum of the altitudes.
yes, sir.
And we have also learned
Rhombus.
area of rhombus
Half into product of diagonals.
half into product of
half
diagonals
into product
d1
of diagonals.
into
D1 into
d2.
D2.
Into D2. Yes, sir.
You all must remember these formulas. These are related to linear, rectilinear figures. And one more non-rectilinear is circle. For a circle,
Yes, sir.
its area is
Pi r square.
Pi
Pi
r
r
pi
square.
square,
r
sir. Pi r
square
square. Pi r square.
and circumference
Perimeter.
is
Perimeter
2
is
pi
2
r,
pi r.
yes, sir.
or
Pi
it
r.
can also be pi times of d.
Pi d.
Remember, for calculation purpose, we are going to take pi
Diameter.
as 22 by 7,
22 by 7. Yes.
or sometimes we will take it as
3.14.
3.14.
Yes, sir.
You all must remember these formulas.
Yes,
So
22
whole
by
chapter is related to these formulas only.
Sir, what about 3D
And
shapes?
and one more I have said, which is there in class 9, that is area of triangle using
Parallelogram,
Aaron's
sir.
formula.
Aaron's formula,
Root
sir.
3 by 4.
Aaron's formula.
Root 3 by 4a.
No. Area is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into
Yes,
s
sir.
minus c.
Ro-
There s is called as a semi-perimeter, which is sum of the sides divided by 2. It's called as
Sir,
semi-perimeter.
sir, is Taylor's theorem also in mensuration?
No. Apart from this, we have also learned area of equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
It is root 3 by 4 times of side
A
square.
square.
Side.
Yes, sir.
In today's class, I am going to give one more formula. We are going to derive one more formula, that is for isosceles triangle. This will be little difficult. Suppose if I consider an isosceles triangle, how to find the area? Say this
Yes,
is
sir.
isosceles triangle. I am going to
Two.
name this isosceles triangle with the letters A, B, C. We all know that in isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal to each other. Let these equal sides be A units and one more side be B units. So this information
Yes,
is known to us. We all know that area of triangle is half base into height. In this triangle, we don't have height. Then we have to do a small construction. We are going to draw a perpendicular from A to BC. Suppose this is the perpendicular. Let us name this perpendicular with the letter H. Can we find area now? It is half
Yes, sir.
B into H.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sum of
But
two triangles.
H is the constructed one.
Height.
Though, so this H should be replaced with one of the letters from A, B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have
So
to
how do we
use
do that?
Pythagoras theorem, sir.
Sum of two
Pythagoras theorem.
triangles.
Under root of a square plus b square.
Remember that in an isosceles triangle, whenever there is a perpendicular, this perpendicular will be same as the median. It means that this side is b by 2. This side is b by 2. Let me name this point as D. So BD and DC, they are b by 2 units. Now I am going to find height. How to find the height? We have to use Pythagoras
Pythagoras
theorem here.
theorem.
Yes, how do we use Pythagoras theorem here?
A square is equal
H
to
Can
B plus
square,
replace h
A
using
square will be equal to
Yes.
B by 2 square,
H square is one of the side and one more side is
minus
B by
b by 2
2
whole square.
whole square.
whole
Very
square.
good. So H square will be equal to A square minus B square
B
by
square
4.
divided by 4.
Let us take LCM. So H square will be equal to 4 times
4
of A
square
square minus B square
minus
divided
B
by
square
4.
divided by 4, sir.
So H will be equal to a root of 4
Root
A
of
square
4,
minus B
4
square
square minus B divided by 4.
root 4. Root 4 is 2
Yes, sir.
units.
Divided by 2, sir, 2.
So this is the height for the isosceles triangle which is mentioned here. We
Sir,
have
here
found the height.
can't we take
Just look at next step, then you can ask doubt. Hence the area is half multiplied to base is B units, height is H. Now I am going to replace this H. It is half multiplied to B multiplied to root of 4
4
times of
square
A square minus B square divided by 2, which is same as B by 4 into root of 4A square minus B square. So this is the new formula for area of
why you
isosceles
took
triangle.
2, sir, then?
Why I
Sorry.
took 2 there? When we apply the root, it is a root for both numerator as well as the denominator. In the denominator we have got 4. Root 4 is 2.
Sir, I have
Sir,
doubt,
sir, in
sir.
the
So we can take the 2A square, no, sir. Root of 2A square.
No, you should not say like that. It cannot be 2a and it cannot be b. We should not write a root of 4a square minus b square as 2a minus b. This will be wrong. It cannot be said like this. It has to be kept as it is.
Okay,
I don't know how many of you have seen this formula. If you open your compass box now, they give list of formulas. This is one of the formula mentioned in that. In most of the
Yes, sir.
compass box, they give formulas, a list of formulas.
B square is also B square.
Suppose if sides are interchanged, if this is B and this is A, then the formula will be A by 4 root of 4b square minus a square.
minus square.
This a and b will interchange.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
to
sir.
remember? How to remember the formula? You must remember it
Yes,
like this. The equal side has to be there as 4a square, 4 times of that side, equal side. Here equal side is a, no? So 4a square, and this is b square and b by 4. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Little difficult. If
Sir,
I
can we write 2a minus square root of b?
have a minus square root of b, you should not write like that. At the most, what will be this? This will be root of 2a plus b multiplied to 2a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, if we use, we get the same step. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If there is a isosceles triangle having equal sides as 6 units and other side is say 10 units, 10 centimeters, what will be area? You are calculating? Here equal sides is A, other side is B. Use the formula. It is B by 4 multiplied to root of 4a square minus b square. Apply the formula now. Substitute the values.
One,
It is 10 by 4
one centimeter.
multiplied to 4
One.
times of 36. B square is
Yes.
36
36
minus
minus 100.
100. What is 4 times of 36?
144, sir.
So 144, sir.
244 minus 100.
100.
44.
This should be multiplied to
144,
10
sir.
by
144.
4.
Sorry, it should be 144, sir, not 244.
So 10 by 4 into 12.
144. So root 44 we get.
The answer is 30.
Answer is 30. How?
So 10 by 4 into under root 144. It will be, sir, 10 by 4 into 12. And sir, we can cut 12 by 4 by 3 times, sir. And 10 into 3 will be 30.
Ashutosh,
Sir, no,
what
sir.
is 4 times
5
of 36?
centimeters, sir. Sir,
4
5
times of
centimeters
36 is
square.
144. No? Is this
144,
correct?
sir.
Is
Sir,
this
here
correct?
is equal to 5
Sir,
centimeters
I
square.
thought that it is 244, sir.
I also thought like that. Then you only corrected it. It is 144 minus 100, which is 44.
Sir,
Sir,
5
10 by
centimeters
4
square, sir,
into
area.
6. 6
This can be
under
written
root.
as 10 by 4 times of root
6
of
under
4
root.
times of 11. Can be written like that. So 10 by 4 times of this root 4 will be 2, 2 root 11. This will be
5
2
root
times,
11, sir.
2 5 times. It is 5 root 11 centimeter square.
That's square.
So this
Sir,
is
I
your,
have one question, sir.
yes sir, you can ask.
Sir, this question is from NCERT only, sir. I
Which one?
found it difficult. General quadrilateral, we have to find areas.
Okay, tell the details.
Sir,
Sir, you can't direct.
how can Sir, one
Hmm.
side is 4 centimeter,
4 centimeter is one of the side,
then one more side is 5 centimeter,
5 centimeter is another side. Okay,
again 4 centimeter, sir.
third side
Opposite
is
side,
4
sir.
centimeter,
Again 5 centimeters, sir.
again 5 centimeter. So it has to be something like rectangle, though.
No, sir, 4 and 4 are on the opposite sides, 5 and 5 are. Yes, sir.
4 and 4 are opposite, 5 and 5 are opposite. It means that it's a
Must be
rectangle.
rectangles.
Sir, then There's a diagonal of 8 centimeters.
Rectangle or parallelograms?
Diagonal is 8.
And one altitude is 2 centimeters.
8. One of the altitude is 2. Okay.
Yes.
Find the other altitude. Is that the question?
No, sir, you have to find area, sir.
We have to find the area. Okay.
Sir, it is given in 175th page, sir. Mensuration.
Mm, When they give the 3 sides, we can use zeros formula and we can find the area. But why did they give this diagonal 8 and this height? You can use half base into height plus.
Sir, why can't we make two triangles there, sir?
I am making the 2 triangles. One of the triangle is this. For this triangle, I am using half base into height. For one more triangle, I am using the area of triangle formula, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Semi-perimeter here is 5 plus 4 plus 8 divided into 2.
8.5, sir. 8.5.
It will be 8.5.
8.5 into
Root of 8.5 into 8.5 minus 5, which is 3.5, into 8.5 minus 4 is 4.5 into 0.5.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to write this as 85 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 45 by 10 into 5 by 10.
5 by 10.
So in the
Yes, sir.
denominator it is 10 square multiplied
Can
to
it,
10 square,
yes, sir. Can it be LCM, sir?
10 square.
not LCM. We get 1
100.
by 100 out,
100.
root
Yes.
of 85
1 by
into
100.
35 into 45 into 5. This has to be simplified.
We
We
can
simplified
simplify, sir.
this.
5 to
This
the
can
10.
be written as 9 times of 5.
5.
This can be
Sir,
written as 7 times of 5. And this one is 15 times of 7, isn't it? Correct? Huh?
Yes.
What I mean to say is, this is 15 times of 7 multiplied to 7 times of 5 multiplied to 9 times of 5 multiplied to 5. Correct?
Yes.
Uh,
Correct, sir.
15.
Let me wipe this region. This 15 I will write it as 3 times of 5 multiplied to 7 into 7 multiplied to 5 into 9 into 5 into 5. This whole thing is multiplied to 1 by 100. So 1 by 100. This is a square, 7 square, 9 is a square,
25 will come
5,
out, sir.
5 square is a square number. From the square numbers, I can take the things out. 5, one of the 5 is taken out, 3 is taken out, 5 is taken out, root 3 remains. So
Yes.
5 20 times, again 5 4 times.
Sir, 7
It is,
can be taken out, sir.
which one?
7, sir. 1 7.
So one more 7 I left, isn't it? Yes. 7 is taken right here. So 3 times of 7 is 21.
21. 21 by
5,
4.
4, root 3.
Root 3.
This will be 4 times 8. 8 plus 21 by 4 root 3. Is this the answer, sir?
I don't know, sir. It is an NCERT. They're not told the answer. It is from try these.
Right. Okay, we have tried this. At the most you can do by taking LCM. LCM will be 4. It becomes 32 plus 21 root 3 upon 4. Either this
Yeah,
is the
yes,
answer
sir.
or this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other doubt?
32.
Only some time is left out. You can ask doubt.
Sir, 85.
How here 1 by 100 came, sir?
Surya's question.
How this 1 by 100 has come? 10 into
Yes,
10
sir.
into 10 into 10 is odd, sir. It is 1000, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 1000, sir.
Root of 10,000.
10,000.
10,000, sir. 10,000.
Root of 10,000 is 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Since it is there in the denominator, I have taken as 1 by 100.
Sir, 17 into 5 equals to 85, sir.
Not problem, sir.
17 into 5 is?
85, you wrote 15 into 7.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
there
Yes,
is a
sir.
Why
mistake.
you wrote
17 5
Okay, okay,
into
okay.
7 into 7 into 5 into 9 into 5?
So here is a mistake. Huh? This is 17 into 5.
Yes,
So
sir.
somewhere root 17 will be there. This 5 will be having pair.
Sir, we should
7 will not be having.
Sir, we should take, sir.
I have just listen. I have just told you the method. You try this. Here from here there is a change. Till
Yes,
here
sir.
it is correct. Till this it is correct. Will you try this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try.
Yes. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. We shall take up few questions in the next class and we shall solve them.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.